In this video, I'll show you how to edit or create a new form template, which is basically new form. We'll go to Forms, Form Template, and here are all the forms that we have available for users that we can edit, that we can share to users, and so on. Let's say here we can. I prefer personally this list view, and we go here. We want to edit this vehicle checklist test. We can edit it. So here is the existing form. If we want to start from scratch, we can easily do so by using these components and dragging them to the middle section here, which is form itself. You just drag the component called text box and it appeared at the very bottom of this form. Here we have already 77 fields. This component text box we just edit there. Got the various other forms of text box component. So we do have a text box component at the bottom of the form, and here are the properties or options of the component or the form itself. So here we can rename it, just vehicle. So this is going to be the name of the label. Save. And this field name is going to be vehicle, where the user or whoever wants to submit the form will need to type in the vehicle. Of course, he can use it. We can use the multi-select option. All these various components we have in this section here. We get a couple of options here, 1, 2, and here we can rename the option. Option 1, option 2, we can make it required field or doesn't have to be required. If it's required, it has to be filled in before the user is able to submit the form. Let's say here we have is box still available. This is a preview button here. These are the options of the form. Here is the label, the name of the field, and here are the options. It's very easy, everything's straightforward. There's a selection, we can do the photo, score, toggle button, checkbox, and so on. Signature at the end of the form. Then we can specify the details. We can update the logo of your company that will appear on the list. Here is the name of the form, and here we can specify the email subject that is going to basically deliver submitted forms to. It can send a copy to the owner, or it doesn't have to be. And here we can specify the email recipient who will receive the form for submission. In the email subject, we can specify also the email subject can contain the filled-in values from the form. Let's say a good example would be, let's say here's a field called vehicle. If we do punch it in here, email subject will contain the value from the field. So we know that, let's say, which vehicle, which van is the form related to. Very easy. Save, then it's done. Here's also the field who is where we can assign this form to the users. Here we can select which users will have the form on their mobiles. At this stage, it's just one person here, that's me. That's only on my mobile I can see this form, so it's available to me. I can fill it in. It's going to be, upon submission, sent to me. I can specify email address of a, let's say, mechanic or someone who looks after the fleet here as well. He will receive the form too. If you want to add someone else join the team, some other driver or someone else, can easily pick or add them here. Again, very easy and super straightforward. Equally it is equally easy to change the form or to build form from scratch based on your requirement. There is a date field, drop-down list with all those drivers who you might choose to add a photo, bullet points, and so on. Very easy. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.
Sans paper. The innovation construction management has been waiting for.